Let's start with the basic ls command. Ls lists directory contents. The default result is displayed in columns and sorted alphabetically. It does not show hidden files or folders and does not display details. ls-a stands for display all. This includes hidden files, often called dot files, and hidden folders in addition to the dots for the current directory and the one-up directory. If you want the results without the current and the one-up directory dots, you can use uppercase A. This is useful for further filtering and piping the output where these dots might otherwise create an issue. ls-l stands for long listing. This displays one file or folder per line with attributes such as owner, rights and size in bytes, and mtime. Mtime is the last time the file contents were modified. Be aware that mtime is not the same as ctime, which we will see later in this video. Most commands can be added to each other to create the desired output. One of the most common examples is ls-l and a to combine a long listing format with a display all command. Another useful command to add is the lowercase h command. This displays file sizes in human readable format instead of bytes. As mentioned before, mtime is not the same as ctime. Mtime is the default when using ls, and it shows the last modified date time of the file contents. This includes any time the contents were created, added, deleted or replaced. Take a closer look at the timestamp of our test file. Using the ls-lowercase c, as shown here in combination with the lowercase l, will display ctime. Ctime relates to a file's metadata. So anytime a file's attributes have changed, for example when permissions change, then the ctime will change. There is a third time attribute called atime. ls-lowercase u displays the atime. As a reminder to the unintuitive u tag, you can try to think of the u as user access time. Atime shows the last time a file was accessed, so when a file is read, then the atime will change. One of the most useful features of ls that is not widely known is its recursive mode. Using ls-R displays the contents of subdirectories and the total size of those subdirectories. I would personally recommend to use it along with lowercase l for long listing and lowercase h for human readable size format. Something to note is that the capital R command by itself does not limit the depth of the recursive mode, meaning it will go down into every subfolder and it will find and continue to output until it outputs the entire folder structure and files. A more polished command for displaying folder structure is tree, but that needs to be installed and is thus not available by default on most distributions. ls-lowercase d displays only directories. Its usage does require some patterns to be useful. These patterns are called globbing in the Linux world. If we execute ls-lowercase l, lowercase d, then we only get the current directory represented by a single dot, not its contents. A more useful command is ls-lowercase l, lowercase d, followed by the */glob to include the current directory folders, but it does not display hidden folders. To view only hidden folders, we can adjust our glob to dot */. To sort your output by largest file size first, you can add the uppercase S command. I would again recommend the use of the H tag. To reverse any of your sorted output, you can append the lowercase r command. If we append this to our previous command, it would sort with the smallest file size first.